Hello and welcome to Next Tech Genius. Here we dive into the latest advancement in digital technology and programming techniques to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your programming journey or a seasoned professional seeking to expand your skills, this channel is for you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss a video. Let's get started.
MySQL Workbench is a graphical tool used to design, administer, and manage MySQL databases. It is an integrated development environment that allows developers, database administrators, and data analysts to work with MySQL database more efficiently. In this movie, we are going to learn how to install up-to-date MySQL Workbench on Windows, which includes MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. So, the first thing we need to do is to fire up our favorite browser and type MySQL on the Google search bar. Then, on the result page, I'm going to click on the first link to visit the official Oracle website, which is mysql.com. On the top menu bar, I will click on the Downloads tab. Then, scroll down and click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Then, MySQL Installer for Windows. Select your operating system from the drop-down. Choose your installer and click Download. Next, you may be asked to create a new account or log in to an existing one. You can skip this by clicking No thanks, just start my download, and the download will begin. Once the installer has downloaded, go to your download folder and open it to begin the installation. You may be prompted for permissions. Click Yes to continue. You will be asked to choose the setup type. We will go with a custom. We will install only the MySQL Server, the MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. Expand MySQL servers. Select the server you want to install and pop it to the product features. Do the same thing for applications and install MySQL Workbench and as well MySQL Shell. Click Next. Now the selected products will be installed. Click Execute to download and install the server and MySQL Workbench. This may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once that's done, click Next. We now configure our SQL Server instance. Go with the default settings here and click Next. Set the password for your root user. This user will have access to everything. Click Next and keep the default settings for the next steps. Click Execute. Once all the configuration steps are complete, click Finish. Congratulations, you have successfully installed MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell on your Windows computer. After installation, you may be presented with a pop-up of the MySQL Shell if you want to use the command line interface for MySQL. But for now, I'm going to minimize it or close it and proceed with a graphical interface. On the graphical interface is the home screen, which is the first screen you see when you launch MySQL Workbench. It provides access to various features of MySQL Workbench, such as creating new connections, opening existing connections, creating new models, and opening recent models.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on digital technology and programming skills. Stay curious, and I will see you in the next video.